How to log out your account from DataCamp. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account from DataCamp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome or any account in the browser, now just simply enter DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the website, now just simply look at the top right corner of your screen where you will be able to see this profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be provided with multiple options. Now, just simply select the last option, Logout. You are looking to log out your account, right? Just simply click on Logout. After you click on Logout, your account will be instantly logged out from the DataCamp website. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna log out your account on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding DataCamp, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.